Welcome or welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube. It's Alexander speaking, your host, and with me is Niels Eggerding from Frederique Constant, the CEO. Niels, how are you?
Very good. Welcome
He's
here.
very excited, I have to say, because what lays on that tray is something spectacular. You're celebrating 35 years of Frederique Constant, and you have been launching a series of watches this year, and this is the masterpiece. Can I say masterpiece?
Yeah, you can say that.
I can say that? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm excited. When I saw the watch, I was, you can really do this for this price? And Niels said, we can.
We do.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
So yeah, we celebrate 35 years anniversary, and many people tell me, Niels, why celebrating 35? Because if you look at the big giants, they celebrate 175, 180, 200 years.
But they also once celebrated 35 years.
They also once celebrate. I'm not sure, but let's consider it. But we celebrate more the milestones we have been achieving within such a short time. We have been doing our own movement starting in 2004. Since then, we launched 31 in-house movements. And the 31 are spread over 3 main movements: the 700 series, 705, 710, the 718, the world timer, 775 perpetual calendar. Then the 800 series is the monolithic, and 900 series is mainly the tourbillon. Today we bring two worlds together in a launch that indeed is super excited, because this is the perpetual calendar tourbillon.
Have you heard that? Perpetual Calendar Tourbillon. I never ever expected, I'm following the brand since the early days with Peter Stas and Aletta and Peter, and I never thought them to do this, and I really said, wow, this is crazy.
Yeah,
really,
it is.
This is really crazy.
It's a beautiful piece.
It is.
And we brought it together into my favorite case, because the Highlife is a little bit my baby. I started to work on this case design together with my design team, and we launched late 2019, early 2020. And this case was really meant to step outside our comfort zone, because we were very classical. By traveling around the world, I've seen that in that time, people were more trending to sport chic, the sport case design. That's why I really felt, okay, we need to do it, we need to introduce it, to help the existing customer falling in love with this case. So we made it very classical and sport chic, but more importantly, we wanted to attract a customer that never liked the classical design. After 3 years, we can say we succeeded with a big success. And if you now look at this watch, the Perpetual Calendar, tourbillon, in a beautiful 41mm case, alligator strap, interchangeable strap, and it comes with the package rubber and stainless steel bracelet. Yeah,
you don't have to pay extra. It is part of the game. So you get the watch, you get an alligator strap, you get a rubber strap, and those who want the bracelet have a bracelet too.
In a few seconds you can interchange. The price, it's 26,995 for 88 pieces limited edition.
This is crazy.
Anti-reflecting coating on the sapphire crystal on the back, and 100 meters water resistant.
Yes, this is what I wanted to say. Since you were offering a rubber strap, you probably thought that people would use it for swimming or whatsoever.
Definitely.
Activities.
For me, sport chic needs to be sport chic, so it needs to be wear
100 meters waterproof. That's something, wow.
Beautiful timepiece, proudly presenting to you in a grey-bluish dial, combined with a navy blue alligator strap.
Yeah, that's really fantastic. I very much like the way how you've been finishing the case. Some polished parts, some matte parts. This is really highlighting here the brushed part on the front side, so it's really highlighting the dial. Readability is good because the sub-dials are quite big. You didn't forget anything, yeah?
No. It's beautiful. No, I have to say this is one of my favorite pieces. Now people will say 88 pieces, why are you celebrating then 35 pieces of 35 years anniversary? 88 is stainless steel, but we have the gold version, rose gold, in the same dial design, in the same setup with navy alligator suede strap, but then 35 pieces limited edition. That's for a price of 4,995.
44,995 for the gold version.
Yes.
Full gold.
Massive gold, no inlayer of stainless steel. Full gold, solid gold.
No cheating.
No.
Okay. No. And you also get it with a rubber strap, But not a full gold.
No, not the full. That's very smart. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, well,
it comes only with an extra rubber strap.
Yeah, because if I would have said, okay, you get the watch for 44,995 with a full gold bracelet, I think some of my viewers would have said, where can I buy it?
Yeah,
Where?
sure. Today's gold
No,
price.
but you get it with rubber and...
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is then next, Niels? You've
Yeah.
done it. You have a chronograph, you have a tourbillon, you have a perpetual calendar, you've been mixing up all the stuff. The last thing you could do is chronograph, perpetual calendar, tourbillon.
We could even do a big date perpetual calendar tourbillon. No, I'm joking. We have done a lot, but we have so many new things in the pipeline for the coming 3 to 5 years to share with the customer. Innovative, fantastic new calibers, even a complete new conception. So I'm super excited for the coming years. The team is ready, the factory is 6,000 square meters, pure watchmaking in the center of Plan-le-Ouat. We are ready, so I'm super excited. Even if people see that luxury might trend down a bit.
But you get value, this is value for money.
We behave very well in that atmosphere, in that cycle.
This was always the intention of the brand, to deliver incredible watches for incredible prices, and there we go. It's hard to beat this, I would say.
Absolutely.
Pretty hard to beat. 5 years to go for the 40th anniversary. Are you already planning ahead a little bit?
No, not that far. Let's say that the coming 3 years and 5 years are ready for conceptions that we want to do. But more concretely, we're working now 2-3 years. So the ideas are there, but we first go step by step. The most complex situation today is hiring watchmakers. The capacity we have is quite substantial, but bringing extra calibers is bringing extra complexity to your atelier. And that requires more manpower. That's the most difficult challenge we have, to find watchmakers. But the capacity and demand is there.
And people for every step you need to finish the entire watch. It's not only watchmakers, it's a variety of other people that are working, of course.
Sure. It's your T1, T2, and T3 atelier.
Yeah.
So the last edition, by the way, that we did was very nice. It's the collaboration we did with Christian van der Klauw. It's the planetarium tourbillon, in a very unique piece. You might see some coming up in the next editions, in the next coming 2 years.
Okay, I'm looking forward.
Thank you.
Always surprising. Frederique Constant is always worth having a second, third or fourth view, just in case you have not been so familiar with the brand. It is astonishing what they're doing, and you get value for the money. It's no longer the case that for complications, Tourbillon Perpetual Calendar, you have spent 100,000, or maybe you have to sell your house first.
Not for us.
Not for you. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you very much, Alexander. I'm happy if the customers had an experience with the brand, online and digital with you. It's an amazing platform that you have been setting up for the past years.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your support.
Yeah. Where the watches are the stars, by the way, and you don't see us so often. Me, you rarely see, because I tend to show you the watches, but sometimes I have to be in the picture. With me, Niels Eggerding, the CEO of Frederique Constant. Thanks for watching the video. Have a look at the watch. Last question, how do you allocate 88 pieces?
Yeah, super difficult. So we launch, when this video goes live, we launch it at the New York boutique, where we go live today. That's exactly on the 7th of December. And that's where this watch will go live.
But not 88 pieces in New York?
No. We have a few pieces going to the New York boutique. It's allocated really on demand, but on the more hot spots in the world.
Okay, so in case you are interested, don't hesitate too long, because I can imagine that such a watch will be sold out immediately.
Yeah.
I think so. Then be quick. Don't forget WatchAdvisor on YouTube. Bye.
Thank you.